All right, I hope I'm holding the camera better for this one. So let's try again with these camera skills. So this one, you need to find f of x is equal to x to the fourth power plus 3x cubed minus 20x squared minus 84x minus 80, where k, or x, is equal to minus 2 and has a multiplicity of 2. Now, if it has a multiplicity of 2, it means it can be used twice. Or as you saw there, so the one of the zeros is minus 2 and another 0 is minus 2. So those are two zeros. So we found two zeros for this polynomial so far. And you saw I just did some more explanation where I said x equal to minus 2, which is equal to x plus 2 equals 0. And x plus 2, multiplicity of 2, is x plus 2 squared. All right? And as you saw that was in one of the answers. So let's get down to the synthetic division now. So we have minus 2 on the outside. We have the first coefficient of the x to the fourth power. So we see x, we bring it down 1. Then we say 1 by minus 2 is minus 2. 3 plus minus 2 is 1. Do the same thing, 1 by minus 2. You see we get minus 22. Then we say minus 22 by minus 2, which gives us a positive 44. We subtract that, we get minus 40. Minus 40 by minus 2 is positive 80, and we get a 0. Then we do it again, because we know that it's a multiplicity of 2, so we need to do it again. When we work that all out again, you would see we would get the answers minus 1, 1 minus 1 minus 20. When you put that in polynomial form, you get x squared minus x minus 20. And this is where we want to get it, because at this point we can factorize or complete the square, whichever method you want to use. I use factorization method because it's easier for me in this case. And when we factorize, we're looking for factors of negative 20 that will give us, when you add them together, minus 1. Did my little tree at the side. You see I chose those two factors, 4 and minus 5, because when I add the two together, I get negative 1. Did my factorization. And so my zeros are x plus 2 to the second power, x plus 4, and x plus minus 5. Right, this one was a little easier. I see that the other two are just about the same. As I look here, this one, it says, given that 5 is a 0, the polynomial function. So basically what you do is the same thing. You have the synthetic division sign. Let me see if I can pull it up here quickly. All right. Do the same thing here. It says, given that 5 is a 0, so that means 5 will come here. And the functions, we're looking at coefficients of 1, negative 9, positive 40, and minus 100. It's going to look like this. And we do the same thing. 1, 5 by 1 is 5. I'm trying to see where to put the 5. So 5 here. So minus 9 plus 5 will give us minus 4. And then minus 4 by 5 is negative 20. That would be positive 20, because 40 take away that. And 5 20s are 100. That's positive, and this will give you 0. Then what we do here is we say this will give me, it was the third power, so we're looking at the second power. So this would be x squared minus 4x plus 20. And then we can factorize from here. We're looking for factors of 20. That will give me negative 4. And like the tree that I do there, we know 5 and 4 won't work, because we want to get positive 20. Minus 5 minus 4 will give us positive 20. 5 by 4 will give us positive 20, but it wouldn't give us 4. So two factors could be 10 and 2. That wouldn't give us 4. What other factors are there? Let's see, 10 and 4, and I think that's it. So the factors of 20 are 2, 5, 10, 20, and 4. Sorry, 2, 4, 5, and 20. So 5 fours are 20, 2 tens a thing, and 1 by 20. So we can't factorize that this way. What I would suggest to do is use either completing the square or the formula, which is equal to x minus b plus or minus the square root of 4 of b squared minus 4ac. You know that one? Put it over 2a, where a is equal to the coefficient of x squared, b is equal to the coefficient of x, and c is the constant. Work that out that way. Or if maybe, did I do an error here? No, I did not. 1, 5 minus 4 minus 4, because this came out right. Yeah, so use that formula or use completing the square, and you should be able to get the answer. Let me know how it works out. I'm going to work it out here, but the goal is to see if you can work it out as well, because I just don't want to give you the answer. I want you to be able to work it out, and so we can work through the process of how things are going to be worked out from there. All right, let me know. Looking forward to hearing from you. Bye.